Greetings, my go-to beauties. I am coming to you guys with a video on how to help you navigate through my booking calendar. Some of you may have already noticed that my booking calendar has updated. So now when you come to the calendar, you'll be able to see pre-selected hairstyles of what I've chosen. This will just give you an overall idea of what I do. So before we get into the actual booking and everything, I want to show you first how to log in and actually book the appointment. Before you can book an appointment, you do have to have an account. It has to be either a Google, Facebook, or email or Setmore account. So I'll go back really fast to show you guys how I got to that page. So you'll come over to the top right hand corner of the screen, hover over the little human, and you'll see login. Click on login and select any one of these ways to log in of your choice. In this case, I'll log in with my Gmail account. I highly encourage you guys to save your information because it makes logging in a lot more easier and faster. Once you log in, it'll take you back to the homepage and you'll see the little human populate now with the profile pic. Next to the profile word, you'll see a drop down arrow that has your appointments category as well as your details category. I'm going to take you to your appointments. This is where you'll be able to see upcoming and past appointments. If you don't have any, you'll be able to make an appointment directly from this page. Also, to update your details as well as put them in, you'll come over to your details and you'll put in an actual address. P.O. boxes are not allowed. Make sure that all of your information is up to date. Now, to get back to that home page, come over to the left hand side of the screen in the top and click on my face bubble, and it'll take you back to the home page of the booking calendar. So if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see several links. You'll see services, team, about us, social feed, and reviews. Now, before we get into the services, I would like to show you the social feed area. Now, this is where typically my most latest hairstyles will populate, but this is populating from my Instagram feed. So you'll be able to see selections of different selected hairstyles there, as well as what's currently being posted. It just depends on how fast things are syncing these days. If you scroll up, you'll see about us, veteran owner, hairstylist, product reseller, entrepreneur, licensed cosmetologist, and I'm an influencer. And that's just keeping it brief. If you come over to the right part of that, you'll see my availability, and you can click on that arrow and it'll show you my schedule and the method of payments that I take, as well as cancellation policy and booking policy. For the booking policy, you'll actually be able to see more details of that on my website, which is gotohairstylist.com. If you scroll down a little bit further over here to the right hand side of the screen, you'll be able to see well, it's static, so it won't scroll, but if you just bring your eyes over to the right hand side of the screen, you'll see additional information for me, such as my website, my phone number, my email address, Twitter, Gotohairstylist link, as well as Facebook. And if you'd like to read reviews about me or share a review, I highly encourage it, and I welcome you guys to read about me. Um, I do pride myself on giving 5-star service. And thank you so much to those who have been leaving those reviews. It's really a confidence booster, and it makes my day every time you guys leave a good review. So thank you. Now I will get into the services. So the services are pretty straightforward. If you, for whichever service you want, you can get more details about it. In this case, I'll click on the silk press. And for additional details, just click on details and you'll be able to see the details for that service. And I'll go ahead and click book, which is on the right hand side of the screen. It's going to take you to select a service. Then click on the service of your choice. If you would like to add anything addition, you'll be able to add on by clicking the plus sign. If you do not want to add an additional service, just hit continue. Based upon availability and time, you'll select what's available. And on this part, as far as selecting a time and date, the colors have changed. In this case, if it's grayed out, you won't be able to book. However, if it's black, you'll be able to select that date and book for that date as well as time. It's going to take you to your details page. Make sure that everything is up to date. And guys, if you'd like to leave a comment or let me know anything, feel free to do that before checking out. Also, make sure that your email as well as your texting platforms are able to receive information from me. If your email is backed up, you won't be able to get updated information as well as confirmation from me. This is very important because I send out your reminders as well as your booking confirmations. So please make sure that your email accounts and everything are able to receive. Also, make sure that you pay note to the booking policy. By continuing, you agree to our booking policy, which is actually my booking policy, Gotohairstylist, and you agree that you have read the policy prior to booking. Now, for more information, again, go to gotohairstylist.com and you'll click on the booking policy from there and you'll be able to see it in full. Go ahead and click continue. And in this case, you just select PayPal. I do not have a Venmo, so you would select PayPal. And in this case, I may not be able to continue. But you will go ahead and log in utilizing your PayPal account. And PayPal has security challenges. So, well, yeah, you got to make sure you go through the security. I see they have gotten brand new with this stuff. Okay. So yeah, because I'm the seller, I can't log in. But by you being the buyer, guys, you'll be able to go through and book the appointment once you paid your deposit. I'm going to go ahead and log out since I can't fully go all the way in. And just keep in mind that once you guys book, you'll get an confirmation from me via email and it'll let you know the time, date of your appointment. As far as address details, I typically send those out within 48 hours of your appointment. If you have not received your address details, please make sure you reach out to me. I do try my best to get those details out to you as quickly as possible. I try to send that out at least 48 hours within the appointment time or sooner. So, guys, if you have any additional questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out. I will be glad to assist you with any inquiries that you may have. And if you have any questions about hairstyles or just want to see, am I able to do a particular service for you? Yes, I am open to those questions as well. And yeah, make sure you guys read about the reviews. I hope that this video has enlightened you guys about how to book. And I do look forward to seeing you guys on my booking calendar. If you have any questions, again, please email me support@gotohairstylist.com. You can also visit my website, which is gotohairstylist.com. You can phone me 253-617-4008. You can text that line anytime between 9:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. If I don't get back with you right away, please give me at least 24 hours to get back with you within that time frame. Guys, I look forward to seeing ya. Have a happy summer. Oh, yeah, and make sure you take advantage of the July summer deals. There's free lock styles going on. So make sure you take advantage of that. I am doing that for the entire month of July. Hey, I'll be here. My chair is open. See you soon, guys. Have a great one. Safe travels and happy summer. Peace.